everyone, we're starting today's vlog in the car because me and Raph are going back to that French restaurant. Guys, it was so good. And those wings, I want to show you the wings because I forgot to show it in last vlog, but those wings were so good and I've been craving them for like a week. So we're going back over there. I think Raph's gonna get that same thing that he got before as well. And then today we have like a family event for my dad. So I don't think I'm vlog too much today because we're doing that maybe later on when we get back. But yeah, it's gonna be really fun. But for now, we're in the car. I'm at a stoplight, so that's why I started the vlog. And then I will pick back up whenever we get to the restaurant. All right, here's these beautiful wings that I forgot to show last time, but they're so freaking good. And of course, Raph got his, same thing again, but these are the best wings I've ever had, ever. All right, I'm back home now, and I've changed. I've got into my Skims dress. This is the viral Skims dress, and I'm normally not a dress wearer. Like, if you know me in my real life, if you know me in general, I do not wear dresses. I don't like them normally, but I'm really just wanted to give this a try. And like, this dress looks fire. It looks so good. I've got my Celine sneakers on with it, and I've actually got leggings on underneath, believe it or not, just so it wouldn't be, it's not sheer anyways, but we're gonna be outside just a little bit, and I was a little worried, so I wore leggings underneath just to kind of like help snatch in the tummy area. But yeah, I mean, it's long enough, you can't tell. So yeah, and I've got just like a white silky top over top of it just in case it's cold. But yeah, that's the fit today, and I'm going to the family event. Good morning! It's the next day. It is now Saturday, and I did not vlog really anything yesterday. I mean, I did when I was out with my parents and stuff, but I just didn't vlog it for the channel because, like, I don't know. But we came back home. We didn't get home until like 7 o'clock last night, and we were so freaking exhausted. So I went like pretty much not straight to bed, but like we ate dinner and then I went to bed. Today I'm going to get my nails done. I have an appointment here at 9 in the morning. It's 8:50, so I'm gonna head that way, and then I have something very exciting that I'm doing afterwards. I don't know if anybody's gonna care, but or anybody that's watching this also likes gaming and stuff. I have a new D&D group. I'm very excited. I'm going to start my first campaign in person today. I can't wait for that. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I know that I'm like a fashion and luxury channel, but still, I really love Dungeons and Dragons. It's one of my passions. I love it. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. But I'm gonna go to my appointment or else I'm gonna be late, and I will see you there. I made it to my nail place, and I'm trying Vietnamese coffee for the first time, and I'm so excited. It's very hot, so I'm gonna have to let it cool down just for a minute, but we're getting them done. I'm so excited. This is so good. I'm gonna have one more. It tastes, it's so sweet, so it's like deceiving. Because Mifa, she's the one that does my nails. She does such a good job. She said that it's very strong, but it's so sweet, so it's deceiving. So I feel like I just want to drink the whole thing, but then I'm just gonna be like, ugh. So I loved it. Very good first try. Okay, so I'm out of the nail salon. I've done a really bad job, as always, at vlogging everything, but here are my nails. Can you see them? They look so freaking cute. I love them. And then I'm actually in an Asian market because Mifa, oh, I think this might be it here. Mifa said, she gave me a pack of the Vietnamese coffee, and she told me to come to the Asian market and get it, and I think I might have found the coffee area. I'm very excited about this because it's so good. Vietnamese coffee, oh, this is great. Okay, so I'm gonna look around in here, and then I went to the Verizon store as well to see if I could get my bill lowered. Like, it's so high for no reason, and I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna look around here to see if I can find it, and then I will let you know whatever I end up getting. Here, back home, and I wanted to show you our little haul. I've got the coffee. Do you want me to make you this coffee?
Maybe later.
I got the coffee. It's like in a big bag. And then, so I got this. Raph got some Korean. I want to say this is a different kind of jjajangmyeon, maybe. It's olive. I don't know, but it looks really nice. I got some of these spring rolls. And what exactly are they? They're spring rolls, yeah. And then this is the packet that my friend gave me to search for at the store. And then we also got some of these dried noodles just to kind of have separately. And then Raph got these. I can't believe they have Italian stuff there too. So he got these lemon ones, and these are normally called, what are they called again? Quadratini. Quadratini, that's what they're called. Yeah, and then Raph also found Japanese curry, which I'm very excited about. I cannot wait to try this as well. So that's our little Asian market haul. We love it. And yeah, I'm gonna eat these now. Good morning once again, everybody. It is now Sunday, and I've got 2 more days of being off. I got today and tomorrow, and I'm so excited about it. So today, I think I am going to be vlogging a lot more, because today and tomorrow, I'm doing nothing. Not one thing, because I do not want my entire weekend to be, you know, busy, 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 go, 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 because when that happens, I feel like I don't even have a weekend. So I am definitely going to be doing nothing. So this morning, I think what I'm going to do, I just woke up, but I do think I am going to start off my day with a Vietnamese coffee, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll get sushi today. I think I'm going to make a Reels video making the Vietnamese coffee, so let's just take you along with that.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge.
Hi, Editing Kenzie here. So if you notice, the cup that I used in the actual making of the coffee is different than the cup that I have when I sit down and like talk about it. It's because I filmed it on 2 separate days. And that last clip when I told you I'm gonna make a Vietnamese coffee and start my morning with the Vietnamese coffee, I did do that, but I didn't actually film it. I did a Reels on it and I forgot to actually film it. So I just entered the clip in that I actually filmed this morning of me making the same coffee. So that's why you see this cup. This is the cup that I used in my thing. So it's the same coffee, just 2 different days. So that's why they look different, if you were even wondering. I've got my coffee. Mifa, my nail tech, yesterday, she said that her mom adds a little bit of sweetened condensed milk at the bottom, and then puts the coffee in and then pours the water on top. And then she also said that you could use a little bit of salt as well, just like a tiny little sprinkle of salt in there, because it is so sweet. So I already think it's really good just like this without the sweetened condensed milk. If I put that in there, I think it might be a little too sweet for me. It's so good. Like, it's actually so good. I'm very excited. I can't wait to make this for my husband when he gets up in the morning. So also, one thing that I wanted to say, did you notice that I have a new intro on the vlogs? Yeah, I got a new intro made, and I wish I could have made that, because I know a lot of people just make it themselves, but I don't know how to do that, and I have literally no idea where to start how to do that. I don't even know, do you use After Effects? Do you use Premiere? Do you use something? I have no idea. So I just went on Fiverr and had someone do it. I think they did a really good job. The music that's on here is not the original music. The original music kind of sounded like, "Welcome to BBC News." That's a kind of like, my husband made so much fun of me about it, because I liked the music. I thought it was fine. My husband, he said, "Kenzie, you know what that reminds me of?" And he said, "Welcome to BBC News." And I was like, oh my god, I can't get that out of my head now. So I ended up using the video part of it, and then I just put my own audio over top. I just looked online for a couple hours for some audio that I liked, and I found some. So I just I found it on like a video, or not a video, but I found it on a song, and I just happened to get to that part, and I just cut out that part that I liked. So I think it looks very nice, and I think it sounds very nice. I do like this new music more than the other music, but I really hope that you like the new intro. D&D was so much fun yesterday. I won't talk too much about this because I know there's so many people on here that just do not care about Dungeons and Dragons or board games or anything like that. So, but I will just say I had the most fun time that I've had playing D&D in a long time. Today, I kind of want to get some sushi or get something nice, you know, whether that be sushi or ramen, or I don't know, maybe I could even make my own ramen. I mean, I haven't had my own ramen in a long time. The new Lord of the Rings show is out, and I will be watching that later on today. I think it has two episodes already out, and then also Elvis came out on HBO Max, and I am so jazzed to watch that. I have so much to do. I finished it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll try to get my husband up. It's 10. Yeah, I'll try to get my husband up so me and him can go do something. I'm gonna go bother my husband. Okay, I'll see you next time. I see you. I'm gonna continue vlogging, but I'll see you when something else interesting happens. We've come to get sushi, of course, for me, and then I think we're gonna go to this other place to get ramen for Raph later, like after I eat. So I've got my crab rangoon coming, and then I've got some nigiri sushi. I got the salmon, and I got 2 salmon, 1 shrimp, and then I got my crunch crab rolls. I'm very excited about it, but I'll show you that whenever I get it. Got the crab rangoon, it's so good, and now I'm just waiting on my sushi. It got really busy in here too, which I'm very excited about. I like that this place is busy right now. I got my sushi, got the crunch crab roll, I got the shrimp and 2 salmons, and that's it. Raph didn't get anything because he's deciding if he wants to get ramen or if he wants something else. So, but yeah, this is my food. Of course, we love sushi. Goodness, so precious. So are you, baby. How are you guys? It's a little bit later now. As you can see, I have washed my hair, and me and Raph are playing a card game now. It's actually really fun.
It's fun, right?
Everything's in Italian, so I can't understand much, but Raph's telling me what everything says, but it's really fun, and it's kind of like magic-y card game or whatever. But I have been doing like a deep clean of the apartment today, and I'm so freaking tired. Let me just kind of show you what I've done. Like, I want everybody to see it. Here's the new bathroom. Oh my God. She looks so nice. If you remember, I had like a basket over here. I had 2 of these right here, but I got rid of them. They're down here now. And I moved my Dyson in my bathroom. It was in my husband's bathroom, but I moved it. And then I cleaned all this off because this was so dusty. So I cleaned it off, and I just moved everything that was here, and then I also cleaned the bathtub as well. I'm just so happy with how things look. I cleaned the toilet. Also, I used something brand new in my hair today when I took a shower. I used this from Briogeo, the Scalp Smoothing Solution Set, and it's, you know, TMI, I apologize if it's TMI, but I've been struggling with like dandruff and dry scalp and stuff, so I wanted to try something that would, you know, potentially help with that. I did use it today, and they have the set comes with a exfoliating shampoo. It comes with one of those brushes that you like go in on your head, and then it also comes with a scalp treatment as well. And then it also has this that you put in after you towel dry your hair. So before you blow dry it, but you leave it in, you don't take it out. And it is the like oil, like treatment oil. And you just do like, you part your hair like this, and you just do like 1 drop, like 1 or 2 drops into each part. So I've done all of this, and it also comes with like a tiny little baby dry shampoo as well. I don't usually use dry shampoo because my hair is so dry anyways. like my scalp, but I really hope this helps with my scalp situation. Again, I apologize if this is TMI, but you know, it happens, you know, it happens. It's just how it is. I've done this. I feel so good about this now. My bathroom just looked like an absolute mess before. I changed the sheets on the bed, and then we have new sheets in the washer. Did I show you that I put out my little wheat for September for fall? Yeah, it's very cute. But I think me and Ref are gonna go get some Mexican food for dinner tonight. I know I had sushi for lunch, and then I'm gonna have Mexican food for dinner. But it's gonna be very good because he really wanted to have those flautas mexicanas. So, very excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I got his flautas. I got my chimichanga. Oh, bitch. Oh, I'm excited.